respected dignitaries, Dr. Rajiv Dubey, ex-CMD of Commerce and of Canara Bank and Chairman of Conflict Committee, Dr. Ranjeev Mehta, President of PH Chamber of Commerce and Industries, CA KK Gupta ji, founder of KKG, Dr. Asranjit Dahar, Member of Conflict Committee, Ms. Shalini Sharma, Assistant General Secretary PhD Commerce, Ms. Kavita Sharma, Assistant Secretary PhD Commerce, esteemed members of the Coordination Committee, industry partners, stakeholders, and dear guests. Good evening to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to be here today at the launch ceremony of Samriddhi Conclave 2025, a visionary initiative dedicated to empowering India's MSME sector, the backbone of our economy. At a time when our country is moving rapidly under the guidance of Prime Minister Modi towards becoming a $5 trillion economy, platforms like this held immense significance. The Samriddhi Conclave is just not an event, it is a movement, a mission to build bridges between MSME borrowers and lenders to facilitate growth and to unlock the potential of millions of small and medium enterprises that are shaping New India. I wholeheartedly commend the effort of KKGA, PNGCCI, CAIT, AIAI and SAGA for coming together to conceptualize and organize India's first loan and business expo on such a massive scale. A very loud applause for that. The expected participation of 200 plus vendors and over 60,000 MSME is a testament to the scale, ambition and destiny of this conclave. Friends, MSME is just not business units, they are job creators, innovators and contributors to our GDP. But many of them face challenges in accessing credit, navigating compliance and scaling operations. This conclave will surely provide them the right exposure, expert guidance and the financial support they need. As National VP of CAIT and a proud representative of BJP, I have always believed that when we empower the grassroots entrepreneurs, when we invest in the dream of our small business owners, we are investing in India's future. I also want to acknowledge the commitment of all the partner organizations, the tireless work of the Coordination Committee, and the leadership of visionaries like CA Krishna Kumar Gupta ji, CA KM Agarwal ji, and all the others who are making this possible. To all MSMEs and startups watching this space, let this conclave be our opportunity, your turning point. Leverage the expertise, the connections, and the financial ecosystem that Samriddhi Conclave 2025 brings to us. I wish this event grand success and declare the Samriddhi Conclave 2025 officially launched, and I promise them on behalf of CAIT, Corporation of All India Traders, and our National General Secretary, Mr. Praveen Khandelwal, that we, as your co-partners, will 100% support you and make it possible and make it a great success. And I promise you that maximum of traders from Delhi and also from NCR and around Delhi will surely come and participate. And any kind of help or any kind of whatever commitments you want from CAIT, we are always open and we always welcome you, because I, as myself as a women entrepreneur, I feel that this is the perfect platform for all the small business associates who wants to grow up and who wants to take the loans and who actually do not know the platform from where to get it. It is gonna be a biggest platform, and as you said that it is the first program, it is gonna be held in Delhi. I promise you, any kind of help, any kind of guidance, any kind of assistance you want from CAIT, the entire, we have our treasurer from Delhi State, Mr. Ankush Vora with us, who has come from CAIT. So we promise you as an entire team that we will do our job, and we will try to put as much effort as we can and be your co-partner and make it successful in every way possible. I wish you all a very good luck, and thank you so much for inviting me today, and Jai Shri Ram.